If you're about to buy hosting or hosting, stop for a second, because most people overpay without realizing there's a better deal available. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 79% off hosting, plus an extra 10% off with an exclusive coupon code, plus a free domain name on qualifying plans. And if you use the link and coupon together, you can pay less than the regular price shown on Hostinger's website. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the Hostinger discount, which plan gives the best value, which billing option saves the most money, and mistakes to avoid before checkout. Let's jump in. To get the deal, go down below this video and click the Hostinger discount link in the description. Right next to that link, I'll also include the exclusive coupon code you'll use at checkout. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger plans page. Click Get Started and you'll see the available hosting plans. Premium plan, this is Hostinger's most affordable option and a great fit if you're starting one website, blog, portfolio, or small business site. Right now, the premium plan is as low as $269 per month with the deal. It's the best option for beginners who want to keep costs low while still getting solid performance. Business plan, this is usually the best overall value for most people. Right now, the business plan is as low as $359 per month. You typically get more storage, stronger performance, and features that are better for growing websites, business sites, or users who want the extra speed. If you're serious about your site, this is a plan many people choose. Cloud Startup Plan, if you want top performance and more server resources, this is a premium option. Right now, the Cloud Startup Plan is as low as $719 per month. This is ideal for higher traffic websites, agencies, e-commerce stores, or people who want maximum speed and power. When choosing your billing term, you'll usually see monthly or longer term plans. Here's what you need to know. The monthly plan does not include the free domain name. The monthly plan does not allow the coupon code. Longer terms usually unlock the biggest savings. So if you want the absolute lowest monthly price plus the free domain, choose a longer subscription term. Once you reach checkout, find the coupon code box, enter the exclusive coupon code from the description, click Apply. You should see the total price drop instantly. That's how you stack the normal Hostinger sale with the extra 10% off coupon. Hostinger remains popular because it combines low pricing, fast loading speeds, easy beginner dashboard, free SSL, WordPress installs in one click, good performance for the money. So if you want affordable hosting without spending a lot up front, it's still one of the best value options. If you're planning to use Hostinger anyway, use the link in the description, apply the coupon code, and lock in the lowest available deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.